Eh?
Ano yung chorus ng ate?
I was afraid this time would come.
Kaya mo naman anin yung tono, di ba? No. Gulat kayo ni ate.
May isa pa po ba, Boss Mike?
Baka may other, ano.
Shit.
Ito yung malinaw. Okay, sound check. Hey. Ito yung maganda tong mic na to. Sa ating mga nag-viewers dyan, magandang gabi. Magpauga na kayo. Kung ayaw mauuga. Kung hindi, iba yung uuga sa inyo. Bahala kayo dyan. Ayaw ko mo. Hindi kita mauutang, magpauga ka na.
Yo, ate!
I recall when you said that you would never leave. You told me more, so much more, like when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you said that you'd be here forever. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh, so far away. I was afraid this night would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I have learned to live my life inside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight. And if it's in my dream, you'll come and touch me once again. I'll just keep on dreaming till my heart aches. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay, but then you're gone and oh, so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of burden from within. I have learned to live keep on dreaming till my heart extends. Keep on dreaming till my heart extends.
Ikip pa. Isa ba? Kanta ka pa?
Duet kayo yung isa pa. Maybe this time ko ah. Alam niyo na.
Ako pa sa first verse. Bakit I love you? Lang, minumulto tayo. Yung totoo. Bakit? Maybe this time yung pinindot, I love you yung lumabas. Yung totoo. Oh. Gulat ako.
Sa after niyan ko wala song na lang then let's go home na ha.
Okay, let's go.
Go ate, go Wasak.
Loading. Loading pa. Ayaw ka pa pauwiin dyan. Yan. Oh, it's still loading. What happened? Na-record ko ba ito?
Record ate.
Naka-record ko.
Para pang reels mo.
Pang YouTube. Oo. What happened?
Ayun na. Sa, harap ka dito ko, harap ka dito.
Two old friends meeting, where we hold the faces and talk about places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart so long ago. How were they to know? So they can meet again, and I believe the reminiscence. Maybe this time it'll be love they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's not in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love will end. Yeah. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that way back when you're too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't proved the plan. It's burning even brighter than it did before. They got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love till fine. Maybe now they can be more than this. Whoa, she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love will live. She's a man like this, is my way back then. This feeling like this has been way back when they tried to stop and get there, waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it'll be love. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end.
Hindi ko kayo sabayan. Grabe yung kulot.
Oh, yan.
Thank you so much, baby.
Last song na ko sa before tayo mo sa'yo.
Oo, yung ikaw.
No, ano, part of your world na lang.
Go, baby.
Ay, power bank na.
Yung iyong ano, yung 200
Thanks for watching.